The officer may ask you whether you know why you've been stopped. You don't have to answer that question. He may ask you, do you know how fast you are going? Or questions along those lines. Again, you don't have any obligation to answer that question. And being cooperative with the police officer in terms of providing the documentation that we discussed and taking any documentation in the form of a ticket or something else from him or her as they conclude the traffic stop. If an officer has a heightened level of suspicion, they may ask you if they can search your vehicle or search the trunk of your vehicle. You have absolutely no obligation to permit the police officer to do so. And I would often suggest that you don't. The fact that you refuse to allow them to search your vehicle does not give them any greater right to search or any reason to arrest you. They must act with probable cause, which is a legal standard that fortunately or unfortunately may have to be litigated in court, but your consent to a search will do away with that initial legal standard. Provide the information in the form of the documentation, license, registration, insurance card that the police officer requests. Be cooperative in that respect, but don't volunteer information.
And with that, here's another ID refusal video. Enjoy it.
Where you headed to?
I don't answer questions.
Huh?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. The reason I'm stopping you is for speeding back yonder and continuing to go. If you're not answering questions, I'm assuming you're not going to tell me whether you're still up on Goodman Street or not.
I don't answer questions.
Can I ask why you don't ask questions? Answer questions?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions. Okay. Then I'll take the appropriate time to do what I need to do.
What you gotta do?
Here's your insurance card and registration, Mr. Strickland. I know you're not going to answer me, but it's my duty to ask. Do you have a phone number?
I'm not going to give answer any questions.
This is for speeding. 55 and 45, the speed limit dropped down to 45. You were still continuing at 55 miles an hour. Court date will be on 12/11/2019 at 1:30 in Division 3. Should you wish to appear, if you would sign for me by the X, please, Mr. Strickland. Thank you, sir. If you have any questions, sir, you can refer to this phone number right here or email it to that address right there, mailing instructions, okay? Here's your driver's license back, Mr. Strickland. Here's your ticket. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you guys for watching this video. We all know how important it is to know our rights. We all know how important it is to not give up our freedoms. Sometimes police officers don't know the laws or whatnot. They're just willing to enforce feelings. We don't have time for that in America. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Go to that guy's channel. Let him know I sent you. Thank you guys.